giving the Hoodtron Vision bot a 2-degree of freedom body using 2 servo motors as X and Y axis, FDM frame, and testing it for form and function. First, we insert the X-axis motor with base onto 1/2 of the body frame torso by snapping it in and protecting the wires to the motor. Repeating the process for the Y-axis motor, making sure to also secure the wire. The other half of the body torso will fit onto the one in place like a lock and key, all while securing the wire. The torso with 2 hemispheres, X and Y-axis motors with wire, are secured together in unison with an end cap piece. Now the body is ready for the brain to be attached and tested. The 2-axis body has a modular attachment capability with the AI thinker brain fitted here. With the only tools needed to assemble the unit are able-bodied hands. No screws or bolts, making it perfect for any age group to learn from. Next, we attach the Vision Bot to our microcontroller. If you would like to know more on how to use microcontrollers without taking an engineering course, go on over to Drone Bot Workshop on YouTube. Simply do a search for Drone Bot Workshop and be on your way. We use the microcontroller here to test the X and Y motor before connecting to the AI brain. After programming the brain to have CCTV vision, we connect our mobile device to the Vision Bot Wi-Fi. The final step is tying a mobile device along with a local LAN to the AI brain, like you do any Wi-Fi connection like a printer. Now we test the movement of the Hoodtron Vision Bot for function. The final step in device testing is to see if the Vision Bot can broadcast video by setting Wi-Fi cam configuration, and there the Hoodtron Vision Bot can move with 2-axis freedom and broadcast inputs and outputs. Press like to see final product that can be fully operated via Hoodtron mobile app.